In this video, I'll show you how to import data into a different Excel tab using VBA. Okay, so I want to import this data set over here, or a part of the data set rather, into a different tab. As you can see, I currently have two tabs on my workbook. One tab is named Sales, which contains this data set over here, and the other tab named Net Income, which is a blank tab. So what I want to do here is I want to import this column over here, Net Income, into this tab, which is currently blank. And I want to do that using VBA. And here are the steps for doing so. The first step is to make sure that your Excel workbook is saved as a macro-enabled workbook. The next step is to go into the Developer tab in the ribbon. Now, if you haven't used VBA in the past, chances are this Developer tab over here doesn't exist. So I'll first teach you how to add it here. And doing that is as follows. You have to go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then make sure that the Developer is turned on over here. So this box needs to be checked on. And once you check that and click on OK, the Developer tab will be added here. And then you go to Developer, Visual Basic, and you go to Insert. And after you click on Insert, you click on Module. Now, I already have my module added. I've already done this step, so I'm not going to do it again. So then you go to Module. And inside Module, you copy and paste this code over here, which is also available in the description box. Now, I will explain how this code works a little bit later on, but for now, I'm just going to copy and paste it into this section over here. So I'll copy and paste it here as so. And as you can see, this code contains references to our tabs. The first tab is called Sales, that's why I put Sales here, and the Target tab is Net Income, and I put Net Income here. And I also indicated a range. So the data range I want to import is in column E. Therefore, I indicated column E, and the target range is the A1 to A13 range. Obviously, you can always customize this. You can indicate the full range or a different range, and also a different target range. Also, you can input different tab names if your tabs are named differently, but this is the generic way of how it works. And after I copy and paste this code, the next step is to save and close this section over here. Now, the VBA code is ready to be executed right now. And to execute the code and do the import, we have to go to Macros and run the macro. But before I do that, I just want to go to the Net Income tab. And as you can see, there's currently nothing here in the A1 to A13 range. Now, let's see what happens after I go to Macros and I click Run. So the macro has been executed. And if I go to the Net Income tab right now, I can see that the desired column, that is column E from the Sales tab, has been imported into the Net Income tab. And as easy as that, I was able to import data from one tab to another tab using VBA. And this is how it's done. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, make sure you subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on my future videos. That's all for today. Bye now.